Can you solve all these applied anthropology questions? The study of fossils. Correct response, paleontology. Study of human culture. Confident and correct, anthropology. Study of prehistoric fossils. Well supported, paleontology. Anthropology is the study of. That's accurate, bones. Who is the father of anthropology? Solid response, Taylor. Social anthropology is a branch of. Nice work, anthropology. How many types does anthropology has? 4. Anthropology has how many subfields? Strong answer. The study of human culture is known as. Well-reasoned, anthropology. What is the study of humankind called? Smart thinking, anthropology. Which is not a branch of anthropology? Accurate answer, climatology. Biological anthropology used to be called. Bravo, physical anthropology. A decision reached after examining evidence. Precise answer, conclusion. Use skeletal body remains for identification. Commendable response, anthropology. How many branches of anthropology are there? Excellent reasoning, 4. The process of replacing cartilage with bone. Logical choice, ossification. Cultural bias in anthropology is described as. Perfect choice, ethnocentrism. The word anthropos from anthropology means dash. Very good, human. The study of objects to learn about past human life. Spot archaeology. How long has Clemson offered a major in anthropology? Well articulated, 11 years. It is the scientific study of human life and culture. Nicely done, anthropology. Describes the similarities and differences in culture. You got it, cultural anthropology. Its goal is to avoid conflict and promote cooperation. Great job, political science. This is the study of the origins of people and societies. Thoughtful answer, anthropology. Application of entomology to civil and criminal legal cases. Right, forensic entomology. In which branch of anthropology would genetics be studied? Well expressed, biological anthropology. What is not one of the primary 4 fields of anthropology? Business anthropology is correct. The study of humans from a biological perspective is called. Well done, physical anthropology. What is the systematic study of people and cultures known as? Clear and correct, anthropology. Study of humanity from a broad and biological perspective dash. Valid point, anthropology. The physical record of a person's life is told by their bones. Good job, osteobiography. Studies the biological dimensions of humans and other primates. Excellent work, biological anthropology. It is the systematic study of society and social interactions. Yes, sociology is right. This is everything that a person learns as a member of a society. Culture, great work. Dash is the study of human culture and how it develops over time. That's it, anthropology. Something that shows proof or an indication that something is true. Right choice, evidence. Dash is the study of the past by looking at what people left behind. Keep it up, archaeology. Which of the following is not a sub-branch of physical anthropology? On track, ethno-linguistic. Which of these is most closely associated with cultural anthropology? Exactly, social sciences. What is the study of human origins, evolution, and diversity known as? Outstanding effort, anthropology. A class of individuals with similar physical characteristics are called on-track species. Investigation of past cultures through the excavation of materials remains. Excellent reasoning, archaeology. Which of these is not included in the four main subfields of anthropology? Right, applied anthropology. Which of the following studies the remains and artifacts of ancient people? That's accurate, archaeology. Focused on the study remains in an attempt to describe the behavior of human. Clear and correct, archaeological anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the language structure of the Seminoles? That's it, linguistic anthropology. What subfield of anthropology focuses on studying and interpreting artifacts? Great job, archaeology! What is the scientific study of past human cultures and civilizations called? Perfect choice, archaeology. Its goal is to keep social order and harmony among different groups of people. Smart thinking, political science. Studies the way of life of contemporary and historically recent human societies. Well expressed, cultural anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the symbols, laws, and values of a society? Precise answer, cultural anthropology. The study of human societies and cultures and their development is known as dash. Well-articulated anthropology. Studies language in its social and cultural context across space and over time. Thoughtful answer, linguistic anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the artifacts of ancient Mayan civilizations? Outstanding effort, archaeology. Looks into the biological development of humans and their contemporary variation. Good job, physical anthropology. Which anthropology studied the Yanomami indigenous peoples in the Amazon rainforest? Logical choice, Napoleon Chagnon. DNA found only in the mitochondria that is inherited through mothers, never fathers. Well-reasoned, mitochondrial DNA. What is the application of the techniques of biological anthropology to solve crimes? Bravo, forensic anthropology! The field of science that would be involved in identifying skeletal remains is called. Exactly, forensic anthropology. This theory believes that each society has its own particular historical development. Correct response, historical particularism. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Accurate answer, contact Narayan Changder.